Hello and welcome back to See Natural DIY. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to preserve your plantain for 1 year. Yes, I said 1 year. I'm saying this from experience. If you love plantain so well, you should know by now that it has season. Sometimes when it's the season, you see it much depending on the location where you are. Then at some point you don't find it, you hardly see plantain at that point. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to preserve it, so that even when there's no plantain, when it's not the season, you still have plantain, unripe plantain. Yes, unripe plantain to cook or to prepare anything you want with it. So at this point, you see what I did. Take my unripe plantain and tie in a plastic bag, and after doing that, I put it in the freezer. It stays in the freezer for as long as you want it. So now when you want to cook it, you bring it out and do exactly what you see me do at this moment. Then bring it and put in a bowl. Then add water, lukewarm water, just normal water to it. After adding the water, make sure your water covers the plantain. So at this point, I'm going to leave it, and I'm going to allow it to sit for at least 30 to 40 minutes. So at this point, is ready to be used. So the next thing I'm going to bring it out from the bowl. Then at this point, I'm peeling it. Just carefully peel the top layer of the plantain, just the normal way you do the fresh ones you buy from the stores. So at this point, I'm trying to peel the outer layer. You see how fresh it is? It still looks the same way like the fresh ones. And after peeling it, I'm going to cut it. At this point, you can prepare whatever thing you